So guys, mag-hiking kami dito na mga 1 hour. So hindi ko lang sure kung paano ako makakalakad because of my knee problems. But the show must go on. So Nagarkot Community Homestay, Moksha Yoga Retreat. Parang ano siya guys, resort or something. Pwede ba na? So guys, medyo scary siya kasi umuuga yung bridge and then I still have like knee problems. So ayan, ito yung view namin. Ayan siya. So yeah.
Kuya is brother, ate is sister.
Why is it shaking?
Rest muna guys.
Because the longest walk is from... We go to work, we get off, we go to our car.
I don't even walk at work.
Then we go to work.
I just stay in a little room by myself.
Order, pakita.
Back na.
Taran nyo na.
Ay, dito tsura.
Sarili, ano nyo na lang ako. Butterfly.
This is very good for the skin.
Oh yeah, okay. Makes us younger more. Yes.
Amo nang ano maganda nga sa rice.
Rice?
Blue, may blue rice. Amo nang klase ka bulak.
Para mag-bloom.
Amo blue.
So we're going to another viewpoint here in Kathmandu. Diba ang ganda oh. Ganda.
That's scary. Do you see that?
Baguio City.
Yata.
So hello guys, we are here now in Bhaktapur, Nepal's oldest city. Yan daw ang main temple.
Kasi sa India pa lang, masak ka.
Lakat-lakat lang guys. Ang daming shops. There.
I know you're gonna close now, but money is coming right now. Coming to you, better late than never. Your lucky night. You know. Better late than never. Money coming, money
Extra
flow.
small, yeah?
Extra small. Yeah. Take your time. Yes, old kalo ka.
Ara.
Maraming money po. Ay, maraming. Sa winter.
So guys, day 4 here in Kathmandu. So we're on our way to the airport. We're going to Bhutan. So guys, the flight namin. So dito muna kami sa confectionery shop at mamimili ng kung ano.
Ireland,
So touchdown Bhutan. Nandito po kami sa Paro Airport. And look at that. Napaka-majestic ng Bhutan. So we're gonna be here for like a couple of days. And hopefully, makita namin yung mga sights na magaganda talaga. And yung plane ride namin, it was so uneventful considering it's the world's most dangerous airport, guys.